Adding your business to Arms directory is easy, fast, and can help get your business found in no time. First, create your account. Most companies create a nickname or handle that uses their company name, but smaller shops may just want to use the name of the owner or manager. If you have a federal firearms license, your business is probably already here. Simply look it up with the Claim Your Business button at the top. Claimed businesses will show with a check mark, while those available to claim will show a claim button. If you don't see your business, you can add it with a simple Add My Business form. Now you're ready to start getting traffic. The more information you add to your listing, the more easily users can find your business through our Business Finder search engine. Arms directory also automatically sends all the information you fill out to major search engines, such as Google and Bing, so you can get found by new customers when they're looking for the products and services you're great at, nearly anywhere on the internet. One of the most powerful features of Arms directory is the ability to add firearm-specific services and categories. Gain both local and national customers when their search matches your listing. This can include suppressor sales, training, manufacturing services, gunsmithing, and more. Don't forget to add your logo, description, and lots of photos so that customers can really get a feel for your business. We look forward to helping you get more customers in less time. Arms directory. Discover, connect, transact.